Welcome back to infyGyan friends. In this video, we are going to take up one algebraic challenge from system of equations. We have got three equations: 1 over x plus 1 over y plus z is equal to half, 1 over y plus 1 over z plus x is equal to 1 over 3, 1 over z plus 1 over x plus y equal to 1 over 4. We have to find out x, y, z value. So let's get started. I will begin this video by taking LCM of the given three equations. So I can write denominator x times y plus z, in numerator y plus z plus x. So let me write in the proper order: x plus y plus z equal to half. Similarly, from the second equation, I will write in the same pattern: x plus y plus z over y times z plus x is equal to 1 over 3. And from the third equation also, I will write the same pattern: equation x plus y plus z times denominator will be z times x plus y equal to 1 over 4. Here we are having three equations. Now, once I will cross multiply, I can frame three equations. Let me demonstrate. This equation, you can see I can write x times y plus z equal to 2 times x plus y plus z, or xy plus xz is equal to 2 times t. So that means I am substituting x plus y plus z equal to t. Now second equation, I will write directly yz plus xy equal to 3t. This is our equation 1. Equation 2. Similarly, I will write equation 3. That will be from this equation. I will write zx plus yz equal to 4t. Now you can see 1, 2, 3 equation is known. Once I will add all the three equations. So let's add. Once you will add all the three equations, you will collect xy twice, yz twice, xz twice. So let me take two common. Xy plus yz plus zx, it would be equal to 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 9t. Conclusion is xy plus yz plus zx equal to 90 over 2. And this is very important equation in this problem solving, and I will consider this is equation number 4. Now see, once I will take away 1 from 4, it will be left only yz term. If I will take away 2 from 4, I will respectively collect the individual terms. So let me consider 4 minus 1. I will write what I would be getting: yz is equal to 5t over 2. 2.5t, that is 5t over 2. Let us consider 4 minus 2. I will be writing zx is equal to 3t over 2. You can check. If I will take away equation 3 from 4, it will be left hand side with only xy is equal to t over 2. Now I will take ratios, divide. So once I will divide these two, I will collect, see, if I will divide these two, zz will be over, suppose I am writing x over y. Divide second from first. So x over y, then it will be equal to 3 over 5. If I will divide these two, then I will be writing y over z is equal to 1 over 3. If I will divide third with first one, then I will be writing x over z is equal to 1 over 5. So my task is, see, if I can write this y over z as, then I can write 5 over 15 also. What I am doing? I am putting y5, same. So now I can write directly x plus y, x is to y is to z, ratios concept. Then I can write it would be 3 is to 5 is to 15. The ratio Among all three, x is to y is to 3, 3 is to 5 is to 15. Now task is simple. I can write directly x equal to. So this is 3. The total is 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 15 is 23. So I can write 3 over 23 and total is x plus y plus z. That was our substitution t. Similarly, y 5 over 23. Total is t. Z 15 over 23 and total is t. Now what I will do? I will consider xy is equal to t by 2. Just simply put the values over there. So xy is given to us. See, x is this, y is this. So let me write here xy is equal to t by 2. So I will consider 3t over 23. Y is 5t over 23. It would be equal to t over 2. So t I will cancel. From this way I will collect the value of t. So t you will get, let me write here, t you will get 23 square over 30. This is our t. Once t is known, your x, y, z is known. So let us write our values. So I will write x is equal to 3t over 23. Let's put the value of t. T is 23 square over 30. So I will write 3 over 23 times t, and t is 23 square over 30. So I can cancel 3 and 30 with writing over there 10, and 1 power of 23 I will cancel by this. So what is left? 23 over 10. This is our x value. Now similarly I will write y. Y was 5t over 23. Let's put the value of t. So I will write 5 over 23 and t is 23 square over 30. Now I will cancel this one with this. So I will be having cancel 5 and 30 also by writing over there 6. So answer becomes 23 over 6. Now z value, if you will find out, you will collect your answer 23 over 2. So let me write once all the three set of values. X is equal to 23 over 10. Y is equal to 23 over 6. And Z is equal to 23 over 2. There are other ways also to solve this problem. You can share with me. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye till next video. And once again, Jai Shri Ram.